Hello everyone, today we will discuss about phenols. Introduction. Phenol are aromatic hydroxy compound in which the hydroxy group is directly attached to an aromatic ring. They may be represented by the general formula AROH, where AR represents a phenyl, a substituted phenyl, or some other aryl group such as naphthalene, depending upon the number of a hydroxy group attached to an aromatic ring. The phenols may be classified as mono, di, trihydric phenols, and so on. For example, we have phenol monohydric, orthocerols monohydric, risonyols dihydric, pyrogiols trihydrics. The hydroxy group attached to an aromatic ring is known as the phenolic group. As we know that phenols are different from aromatic hydroxy compound in which the hydroxy group is present in the side chain. The latter type of a compound are in fact aryl substituted aliphatic alcohol, and their behavior is similar to that of aliphatic alcohols. However, both phenol and aromatic alcohol resemble each other in undergoing the electrophilic aromatic substitution and in case certain other respective. Nomenclature of phenols. The simplest member of phenol is always known as its popular name phenol, although its IUPAC name is benzenol. All substituted monohydric phenols are named a derivative of phenols, but methyl phenols possess special common names. The position of substituent with respect to OH group are denoted by ortho, meta, and para position in the common system, but by number in IUPAC system with OH group carrying the number 1. The following example illustrate the method of naming phenols. The name given in a bracket are common names. Phenols, 2 chlorophenols, orthophenols, 2,4-dinitrophenols, 2-methylphenol, 3-methylphenol, 4-methylphenol, ortho, meta, and paracerols. The di and trihydric phenols have the IUPAC name benzene and benzene triols respectively, but most of them are known by their special names as given below. 1,2,3 benzene diol, or also known as 1,2-dihydroxybenzene, and so on. It should be noted, however, that when a compound containing some functional group such as carboxylic group, ethers, and carbonyl group, in addition to phenolic group, the compound is named as hydroxy derivative of acid, ester, or carbonyl compound. For example, 4-hydroxybenzaldehyde, 2,4-dihydroxybenzoic acid, ethyl 4-hydroxybenzenoate. Structure and bonding. Phenyl are a compound having the hydroxy group directly attached to benzene ring, while the oxygen of hydroxy group is in sp3 hybridized state. The carbon of a benzene ring to which oxygen is bonded is in sp2 hybridized state. Resonance interact take place between a lone pair of electron on oxygen and the benzene ring, so that phenol exists as resonance hybrid of a resonating structure as shown below. Due to resonance, the carbon-oxygen bond acquires some double bond character and becomes shorter and stronger than carbon-oxygen bond in alcohol. As a result, phenol do not undergo substitution reaction of OH group like alcohols. At the same time, oxygen acquires a slightly positive charge, due to which it attracts the electron pair of OH bond strongly toward itself. As a result, OH bond in a phenol become more polar than in alcohol. Due to above structural feature, phenol have differently from alcohols in many respects and are treated as a separate compound class of compounds. Method of formation. The completely employed journal method of preparation of phenol are described below. First, hydrolysis of diazonium salt. This is probably the most convenient method of preparing phenols. The reaction is usually carried out by slowly adding diazonium salt solution to excess of a boiling and dilute sulfuric acid. Diazonium salt plus H2O in the presence of H positive and heat give phenols plus HX plus nitrogen. For example, benzene diazonium chloride plus water in presence of heat and acid gives phenols plus HCl plus N2. Since hydrolysis is carried out under very mild condition, other group in the molecule of diazonium salt are not affected. Meta-nitrobenzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate plus water in presence of acid and heat give meta-nitrophenols plus H2SO4 plus nitrogen. Second, from isopropyl benzene, cumene. This method is usually particularly for the large scale preparation of phenols for high isopropyl benzene, popularly known as cumene. Cumene is readily oxidizing by air to form cumene hydroperoxide, which is converted into phenol and acetone by treating with aqueous acid. Cumene in presence of air and 33 to 353 Kelvin temperature form cumene hydroperoxide, and in presence of acid it gives phenol and acetone. Mechanism. The mechanism of conversion of a cumene hydroperoxide into phenol involves a series of 5 steps as shown below. In step first, peroxide get converted into a protonated peroxide from which a water molecule is eliminated. Step second, to form an intermediate having electron deficient oxygen. In step 3, a 1-2 shift of a phenyl group take place give a carbocation, which is a resonating hybrid of a two structure. The carbocation take up a molecule of water. Step 4, to form a hemiacetal. The hemiacetal finally break. Step 5, to yield phenol and acetone. It may be noted that cumene itself is obtained by a Friedel-Crafts reaction between benzene and propanol in the presence of ferrous chloride. Third, alkyl fusion of a sulfonate. In this method, phenyls are obtained by fusion of a sodium salt of aromatic sulfonic acid with sodium hydroxide followed by acidification. Sodium sulfonate in presence of Na2SO4 and fusion give sodium phenoxide. In presence of HCl, it gives phenol plus NaCl. For example, sodium tellurene sulfate plus NaOH give paracerols. This method cannot be applied to salts of sulfonic acid containing substituents such as Cl, NO2 and carboxyl group due to the possibility of a various side reaction. Fourth, from aryl halides. Substituted phenol having electron withdrawing group like NO2 group in orthopara position to the OH group can be easily prepared from the corresponding aryl halide by treating with aqueous sodium hydroxide. For example, para-nitrochlorobenzene plus 2NaOH give para-nitrochlorosodium phenoxide plus NaCl plus water. In presence of HCl, it gives para-nitrophenol plus NaCl. Phenol itself is also manufactured by the method of heating chlorobenzene with 10% sodium hydroxide solution at 603 to 623 Kelvin temperature under a pressure of 200 atmosphere. In the presence of a copper salt, the process is known as Dow process. Chlorobenzene plus NaOH at temperature 203 to 623 at 200 atmosphere pressure give phenol plus NaCl. Fifth, from phenolic acid. Distillation of sodium salt of phenolic acid with soda lime yield phenols. For example, sodium silicates plus NaOH in presence of CaO gives phenol plus Na2CO3. From Grignard reagent, phenol may be prepared by treating aryl magnesium peroxide with oxygen followed by hydrolysis to product. From coal tar, phenols and cerols are also obtained on a large scale from the middle of oil. fraction obtained on distillation of coal tar. Physical properties. First, physical state. Pure phenols are generally colorless, liquid and solid, but they usually appear slightly colored as they readily get oxidized even in air, and the oxidation product are colored compound. At the same time, substituent like NO2 also impart color to phenols. Second, boiling point. Due to the formation of intermolecule hydrogen bonding, phenols boils considerably higher than a corresponding hydrocarbon and aryl halide, which do not contain hydrogen bond. For example, phenols boiling point 94 boil at 455 Kelvin, while toluene boils at 384 Kelvin. Solubility. Phenols are practically insoluble in water, although phenol itself and some di and trihydric phenol are fairly soluble. The solubility of these compounds is probably due to the formation of hydrogen bond with water, but the extent of a hydrogen bond formation is very small due to a large size of a phenyl group, which masks the polar character of OH group. All phenols are soluble in aqueous alkaline solution due to formation of water soluble salts. Phenol containing substituents such as NO2 can also form intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This is responsible for certain interesting observations. For example, orthonitrophenol has a lower boiling point and smaller solubility in water than its meta or para isomer. This is because the orthoisomer form intramolecular hydrogen bonding between oxygen of a nitrogen group and the hydrogen of hydroxyl group. The phenomena is also known as chelatation. Due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding or chelatation, the orthoisomerism has only very small tendency to form intermolecular hydrogen bonding. On other hand, in meta and para isomer, the hydroxyl and nitro group are so situated that intramolecular hydrogen bonding is not possible while intermolecular hydrogen bonding take place. Chemical properties. Phenol are highly reactive compound which combine the reaction of both the hydroxyl group and aromatic ring. The important reaction by phenols are discussed below. Reaction of a phenols group. First, acidity. Phenol are weakly acid compound. They react with aqueous alkaline metal hydroxide to form salt known as the phenoxides. Phenyl plus NaOH gives sodium phenoxide plus H2O. However, phenol do not react with aqueous carbonate and bicarbonate. Moreover, the salt of phenol are converted into phenols by aqueous mineral acid, carboxylic acid, or even carbonic acid. Sodium phenoxide plus carbonic acid, strong carbonic acid give phenol plus NaH, sodium bicarbonate. This observation indicates that phenol are very weak acid, weaker than carboxylic acid or even carbonic acid. This is confirmed by a comparison of their acidity or pKa value. While phenol has a pKa value of order 1 into 10 raised to power minus 7, carboxylic acid and carbonic acid has Ka value of about 1 into 10 raised to power minus 5 and 1 into 10 raised to power minus 7 respectively. These acidic strengths are usually represented by term of a pKa value, which is the negative logarithm of acidic constant, that is pKa is equal to minus log Ka. For example, pKa of phenol Ka is equal to 1.3 into 10 raised to power minus 10 is pKa is equal to 9.88. It may be noted that a stronger acid has a larger Ka value but smaller pKa value, while a weaker acid has a smaller Ka value but larger pKa value. Evenly through very weakly acid themselves, phenols and much more acidic than alcohol, which has a Ka value of order 1 into 10 raised to power minus 16 to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 18. This appeared to a rather surprising since both phenols and alcohols are characterized by presence of a hydroxy group. What then is the reason that an OH group attached to an aromatic ring is so much more acidic than an OH attached to an alkyl group? We should attempt to answer this question by considering the stability of the ion formed relatively to stabilize of an unionized compound. Explanation of acidic character. The ionization of a phenol is an important equilibrium reaction involving the unionized phenol and phenoxide and hydronium ion, as for example phenol plus water give phenoxide ion and hydronium ion. Now, neither phenol nor phenoxide ion can be represented by only one valence bond formula. On the other hand, each of them is a resonance hybrid of various contributing structure as shown below. It may be noted that the contribution structure first C, first D, and first E of phenol involving separation of a charge and are therefore less stable than the structure first A and first B. On other hand, in case of phenoxide ion, none of a contributing structure involving charge separation and the structure are almost equally stable. As much phenoxide ion is resonance stabilized to a greater extent than phenol. Therefore, the equilibrium between phenol and phenoxide ion favors the formation of phenoxide ion and hydronium ion, that is, this accounts for the acidic character of phenol. Comparison with alcohol. In case of alcohol, the equilibrium reaction involving alcohol and alkoxide ion does not favor the formation of alkoxide ion and hydronium ion. This is because there is no resonance stabilization of alkoxide ion relatively to alcohol, since neither the alcohol nor the alkoxide ion exhibits resonance, that is. Hence, it should not be surprising that compared to alcohol, phenol ionize more readily to form phenoxide ion and hydronium ion. In other words, phenols are more acidic than alcohol. Effect of substituted on acidity of phenols. The acidity of phenol is strongly influenced by the substituted attached to the benzene ring and their position. This is because the state of equilibrium in the reaction between phenol and water to furnish phenoxide ion and the hydronium ion depend upon the stability of the product relative to the stability of the reactants. Any factor which stabilizes the phenoxide ion more than the parent phenol should increase the acidity, while any factor that is stabilize the phenoxide ion should decrease the acidity as illustrated below. First, nature of substituent on a benzene ring. A electron withdrawing substituent. Phenol having electron withdrawing substituents such as halogen and nitro group are more acidic than phenol itself. This is because an electron withdrawing substituent attacks the electron toward itself and thus disappear the negative charge of phenoxide ion. As a result, it stabilizes the phenoxide ion and increases the acidity of phenols. B. Electron releasing substituent. Phenol containing electron releasing groups such as alkyl group are less acidic than phenol itself. This is because an electron releasing substituent releases the electron away from itself and thus intensifies the negative charge on phenoxide ion. In this way, it destabilizes the anion and thereby decreases the acidity of phenol. In short, electron withdrawing group increase the acidity of phenol while electron releasing group decrease the acidity. Table 5.1 show the effect of a different substituent on the acidities of a phenols. Comparison of acidity of some phenols. Second, position of substituent related to hydroxy group. Apart from the nature of the substituent, the position of a substituent related to hydroxy group also have a larger influence on acidity of a phenol. This may be explained as followed. First, the stability or destabilizing influence of a substituent operates through inductive effect as well as resonance effect. Second, the intensity of inductive effect of substituent decrease as its distance from OH group increase. That is decrease in ortho position meta para. That is why acidity of chlorophenol is in order: orthochlorophenol, metachlorophenol, paraChlorophenols. Third, the resonance effect is more pronounced if the substituent is in ortho or para position than in meta position. To understand this, let us examine the contributing structure of ortho, meta, para nitrophenol ions. It may be seen that each of ortho and para nitrophenol ion is a resonance hybrid of a 5 contributing structure. If one of the structure in each case, the structure marked a conjugation is extended upon oxygen atom of a nitro group, but no such conjugation is possible for meta nitrophenoxide ion, and it has only 4 contributing structure. The net result is that there is a greater resonance stabilization of ortho and para anion than meta isomer. As such, ortho and para nitrophenol are much stronger acid than meta nitrophenols. An interesting observation is that certain phenols having electron withdrawing group in the ortho position and orthonitrophenol is a weak acid than paranitроphenols. This can be attributed to the formation of intramolecular hydrogen bonding in case of orthoisomer, so as shown below. Second, ether formation. Williams synthesis on reaction with alkyl halide or dialkyl sulfate in alkaline medium, phenols are converted into corresponding alkyl ether. The alkyl halides or sulfonate undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction by phenoxide ion present in alkyne solution of phenols that we have. Reaction between sodium or potassium phenoxide and allyl bromide lead to the formation of allyl ethers. Claisen rearrangement. This is an interesting rearrangement reaction involving aryl alkyl ether when heated to form to 475 Kelvin. The allyl group of ether migrate from ether oxygen to the ring carbon at ortho position. For example, allyl phenyl ether give at 475 give ortho allyl phenols. If both the ortho position are already occupied, the allyl group migrate to para position. For example, allyl to 6 dimethyl phenyl ether. Mechanism of ortho rearrangement. Ortho isomerism involve a concreted mechanism in which the cleavage of allyl oxygen bond is synchronized with the formation of allyl carbon in which bond at ortho position. The cyclohexane diene on intermediate thus formed undergoes the tautomerism change to give the orthohallyl phenols in which the ring regain the aromatic character as depicted below. It may be carefully noted that it is the gamma carbon of a allyl group with respect to oxygen which attach itself to ring carbon. This is supported by the fact that orthomigrate involve an inversion of a position of a substituent in allyl group with respect to that of a starting compound. For example, mechanism of para rearrangement. Para isomerization involve two stages. The first stage orthomigrate take place and the cyclohexadione intermediate is formed, but this intermediate cannot undergo tautomerism since there is no hydrogen at ortho position, as both these positions are already substituted. As such, this intermediate undergoes another migration of allyl group to ultimately yield the final product. It may be noted that in para isomerization, two migration take place, each of which is accompanied by inversion. In other words, one inversion is followed by another inversion, so that there is no net inversion in the position of substituent with respect to starting compound. For example, third, ester formation, acylation. Like alcohol, phenol are converted into ester by reaction with carboxylic acid, acid chloride, and acid anhydride. However, in actual practice, esterification is better carried out by using acid chloride and acid anhydride rather than acid themselves. Fizzy rearrangement. If an ester of a phenol is heated with aluminum chloride, the acyl group migrate from the phenolic oxygen to ortho and para position on the ring. This is called Fizzy rearrangement. For example, phenyl propionate in presence of Al3 and 413 to 423 Kelvin temperature give para-hydroxyphenol ether ketone about 50% plus ortho-hydroxyphenol phenyl ether ketone about 35%. At low temperature, para product predominate while at high temperature ortho isomerism is the main product. Mechanism. The rearrangement probably involves the formation of acylyl ion, which then attack the aromatic ring as a Friedel-Crafts reaction. The complete mechanism may be summed up as follows. Fourth, reaction with zinc dust. When distilled with zinc dust, phenol form corresponding hydrocarbon. For example, phenol in presence of zinc dust give benzene plus ZNO. Fifth, reaction with ammonia. When heated with ammonia at high temperature and pressure in the presence of catalysts like anhydrous zinc chloride, OH group of phenol is replaced by NH2 group. For example, phenol plus ammonia in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 give amine. Aniline plus H2O. Reaction of aromatic ring, electrophilic substitution reaction. Phenol readily undergoes electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. The OH group linked to an aromatic ring activated the ring to electrophilic substitution and direct the incoming group to ortho and para position. In fact, the OH group is a very powerful activator, and unless precautions are taken, polysubstitution take place. Explanation of orthopara directing and activating influence of OH group toward electrophilic substitution. The orthopara directing and activating influence of OH group toward electrophilic aromatic substitution can be explained in terms of assumption that oxygen of this group can share more than one pair of electrons with the ring due to resonance. When phenols undergoes electrophilic substitution, the contributing structure of the intermediate carbocation formed by attack of electrophilic at orthopara and meta position are shown below. The carbocation formed by ortho attack is a resonance hybrid of four structures 3A and 3D. Of these four structures, and the structure 3D is particularly stable since in it each atom except hydrogen of course has a complete octet of electrons. Similarly, in para attack, the carbocation is a resonance hybrid of a four structure, fourth A to fourth D, of which fourth D is most stable. But in case of a meta attack, the carbocation is a hybrid of only three structure, fifth A to fifth C, there being no structure corresponding to 3D and 4D. This means that the position change of orthopara ion is dispersed over more atom than is that of a meta ion. It is therefore apparent that the hybrid carbocation resulting from ortho and para attack are more stable than the carbocation resulting from the meta attack or from the attack on benzene itself. The substitution in phenol occur mostly at ortho and para position and occur at a faster rate than in case of benzene. The important electrophilic substitution reaction of phenol are described below. Sixth, halogenation. On treatment with halogen, phenol are very rapidly halogenated, forming polyhalogen derivative. For example, reaction of phenol with an aqueous solution of a bromine intermediate proceed a precipitation of a tribromophenols. In fact, the reactivity of phenol toward halogenation is so greater than even substituent like SO3H group if present in ortho or para position get displaced. For example, paraphenol sulfonic acid in presence of aqueous Br2 give 2,4,3 tribromophenol. Halogenation can however be limited to monohalogenation stage by preforming it at low temperature and in non-polar solvents such as carbon tetrachloride or carbon disulfide. For example, phenol in presence of Br2 in presence non-polar solvents like carbon tetrachloride and carbon sulfides give parabromophenols or orthobromophenols. The above observation can be explained in terms of effect that greater the electron density around benzene ring, the more easily it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. In aqueous solution, phenol ionizes to form phenoxide due to the presence of negative charge on it. Oxygen of the phenoxide ion release electron toward the benzene ring to a larger extent. As a result, electron density around benzene ring become very larger so that the ring is highly activated and undergoes tri-substitution. In polar solvent such as S2, phenol does not undergo ionization to an appreciable extent and occur mainly as unionized molecule. The OH group of phenol can release electron toward benzene ring only to a small extent. As a result, benzene ring is not strongly activated and therefore or it undergoes only monosubstituent reaction. Seventh, nitration. Nitration of phenol give poor yield of a expected nitro compound. This is because phenols are easily oxidizing and nitric acid can bring about not only nitration about also oxidation of a starting phenol. For example, phenol plus dilute HNO3 at temperature 298 Kelvin give ortho nitrophenols and paranitrophenols. Using of a concentrated nitric acid in above reaction lead to formation of 2,4,6 trinitrophenol or picric acid in low yield. Sulfonation. Sulfonation of a phenol proceed readily to yield either the ortho and para isomer as the main product depending upon the temperature of a reaction. In general, low temperature favor the formation of ortho isomer while high temperature favor the para isomer. On heating to 373 Kelvin, orthophenol sulfonic acid change to a thermodynamically more stable paraphenol sulfonic acid. Ninth, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Phenol undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation forming a predominantly para isomer. The reaction is about in the presence of HF. Normally, Friedel-Crafts reaction is carried out in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, but in case of phenol, this catalyst is not used. This is because electron density Al atom of AlCl3 coordinate with the lone pair of electron on oxygen of OH group to form complex. This suppress the activation influence of OH group so that the yield of a product is very low. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Phenols can undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation to form orthopara hydroxyketone by treating with acid chloride and acid anhydride, but the hydroxyketone are generally prepared by Ferris rearrangement. Gattermann synthesis. When treated with a mixture of hydrogen cyanide and hydrogen chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, phenol gets phenyl aldehyde. The reaction known as Gattermann synthesis constitute an important method for synthesizing phenolic aldehyde. For example, phenol in presence of HCN plus HCl and AlCl3 give salicylic aldehyde. Mechanism. Gattermann synthesis is an electrophilic aromatic substituent in which the attacking reagent is a formaldinium ion formed from HCN and HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. The complete mechanism may be summed up as followed. Hubbard-Hosen reaction. This is an acylation reaction of polyhydric phenol having hydroxy group in a meta position with each other. It is carried out by treating such phenols with acyl cyanide and hydrogen chloride in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride or aluminium chloride followed by hydroxy. For example, mechanism. The mechanism of a reaction is similar to that of a Gattermann reaction and is summed up below. Special reaction of phenol coupling with diazonium salt. When treated with diazonium salt in weakly alkaline solution pH 9 to 10, phenol undergoes coupling to form hydroazo compound. For example, Kolb's reaction, also called Kolb's Schmidt reaction called carboxylation. When heated with carbon dioxide under pressure, sodium salt of phenols undergoes carboxylation to form salt of a phenoxide phenolic acid, the orthoisomer being the main product. For example, when sodium phenoxide is heated with carbon dioxide under pressure, sodium silicate is obtained as a major product. Mechanism. The mechanism of cold reaction is believed in involving the electrophilic attack of a carbon dioxide on phenol ion as shown below. Reamer-Teamer reaction on heating with chloroform and an alkyl phenyl are converted into phenolic aldehyde, an aldehyde group being introduced onto an aromatic ring of generally in ortho position of OH group. For example, when phenol is heated with chloroform and aqueous sodium hydroxide, salicylic aldehyde is obtained as the main product along with a small amount of para-isomer. Mechanism. The mechanism of reaction involves the electrophilic substitution of a phenoxide ion formed in solution by the action of alkyl on phenols. The attacking electrophilic reagent is the electron deficient dichloromethyl CCl2, a carbon generation by the action of alkyl on chloroform. Dichloromethyl is electrically neutral, but it acts as an electrophilic reagent as the carbon atom present in it is surrounded by only 6 valence electrons. The complete mechanism may be summed up as follows. If carbon tetrachloride is used in place of a chloroform in Reamer-Teamer reaction, phenol give rise to a phenolic acid. For example, lateral minus reaction. Phenol undergoes condensation and aldehyde in presence of an acid or a base as a catalyst. The product initially formed get polymerized to form a commercially important polymer. For instance, when phenols are treated with formaldehyde in presence of an acid or alkyls, a mixture of ortho and para hydroxybenzene alcohol is first formed. The alcohol formed undergoes polymerization to form a resinous polymer called bakelite. Mechanism of initial condensation. The initial reaction between phenol and formaldehyde involves the electrophilic attack of a formaldehyde on a phenoxide ion or a protonated formaldehyde on phenols as summed up below. Acid catalyzed. Phthalate reaction. On heating with the phthalic anhydride in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride, phenol are converted into phthalenes. For example, phenol form phenolphthalenes as shown below. But phenolphthalein is used an indicator in acid alkyne titration. It is colorless in acidic medium but change to pink color in alkyne medium. Reaction with ferrous chloride. Phenol gives a violet coloration with ferrous chloride due to formation of water soluble complex ferrous phenoxide. Other phenols also formed colored complex on treating with ferrous chloride. The reaction is used as an important test in the identification of phenol. The test is not given by alcohol. Ladder minus reaction. On treating with sodium nitrite dissolved in concentrated sulfuric acid, phenol gives a color red color. The color changes to blue on addition of aqueous sodium hydroxide. The reaction is called Ladder-Mann reaction. Thank you. This chapter is complete.